Welcome to Stover Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Today I'm going to show you a quick video of how to use one of our products, which is the Rivet Nut Drill Adaptor. This simply attaches to your drill, enabling us to put a threaded rivet nut to take a flue draft reading on a flue pipe. A flue draft reading is a part of your commissioning requirements when installing a solid fuel appliance and must be undertaken in strict accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and in accordance with relevant regulatory requirements. Using the 12mm drill bit, safely drill the hole on the flue. Attach the Rivet Nut Drill Adaptor to your drill and insert the rivet nut. Once you have preheated the flue, insert the test probe and take a draft reading in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.